In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can work faster in Adobe InDesign by changing the display performance. But first, would you like a free cheat sheet?
Sir, yes, sir!
Head over to grrrl.com to download your free InDesign cheat sheet that will show you all the shortcuts in the program. Just click the link below. Hello, creative! It's your graphics girl of graphicsgirl.com. That's graphics with PH and S, girl with no I and 3 R's. And I'm here with a quick tip to help you design your brand. In addition to copy, you can, of course, add graphics to your Adobe InDesign layout. Whether they're vector graphics like a logo or raster graphics like a photo. You might notice a lag as your screen has to redraw to create those graphics. So to counteract that, you can reduce the display of how your graphics appear on screen. So it's not using the memory to redraw those graphics each time. So to do that, you'll come here to View, Display Performance. And it's under here that you can choose Fast, Typical, or High Quality Display. I'll demonstrate. In this layout, these images are currently showing high display. You can make out the word Pantone right here and see the clean, crisp edge of my vector graphic. Contrast this with View, Display Performance, Typical, which is the default display in InDesign. In Typical now, you can see that my vector graphic almost looks like it's raster and pixelated, and you really can't make out the word Pantone. So Typical display will save you a lot of time as you're creating and revising your layouts. But if you really want to save time, try Fast Display. With Fast Display, why, you don't see the graphics at all. Vector graphics and raster graphics just conform to the shape of their bounding box. Without any graphics, it just shows a slugged-in version of the bounding shape the image is in. I'll use Fast Display when I'm focused on copy or content revision. In general, I do use Typical Display, but I'll be honest, sometimes this rough display bothers me, and I much prefer high quality if I can get away with it. That way my logos and images display exactly as I created them. Mwah! I love you, Adobe InDesign. And I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like.
Okay.
Share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, for free marketing, branding, and design resources, head over to graphicsgirl.com. That's graphics with PH and S, girl with no I and 3 R's. And I'm here to help you design your brand.